Hi, in this video we are going to see about printing in HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 series printer. Most print settings are automatically handled by the software application. Change the settings manually only when you want to change print quality. So in this video we will cover these topics as you can see on the screen. Print using a computer, print using the HP Smart app, print with mobile devices, and tips for successful printing. So let's discuss in detail. So first, print using a computer. Here we will learn print documents, print brochures, print on envelopes, print photos, print on special and custom size paper, print on both sides, duplexing, print using a Mac, desktop or laptop. For important note, you can read the screen. So print documents. To print documents in Windows device, you need to follow these steps which is available on the screen, so you can read it for more information. Let's see next topic, which is print using the HP Smart app. This section provides basic instruction for using the HP Smart app to print from your Android, iOS or Windows 10 device. For more information about HP Smart app for iOS or Android devices, you need to visit on this website, and for Windows device you need to visit on this website. To print from a Windows 10 device, you need to follow these steps which is available on the screen. Total 6 steps are available, so you can read it. You can pause the screen. Now let's see about the print with mobile devices. To print from mobile devices, you can print documents and photos directly from your mobile device, including iOS, Android, Windows Mobile, Chromebook and Amazon Kindle. So an important note is available on the screen. You can read it for more information, and make sure your printer is connected to the same network as your mobile device to print from your mobile devices, and enable printing on your mobile device. So for iOS, you need to use the print option from share menu or click on this icon. And for Android device, download the HP Print Service plugin, supported at most Android devices support this plugin, from the Google Play Store and enable it on your device. And next, Windows Mobile, you need to tap on print from the device menu. Here no setup is required since the software is pre-installed in Windows devices in mobiles. And for Chromebook, download and install the HP Print for Chrome app from the Chrome Web Store to enable both Wi-Fi and USB printing. Now next topic, which is tips for successful printing. To print successfully, the HP cartridges should be functioning properly with the sufficient ink, and the paper should be loaded correctly. So we will cover ink tips, paper loading tips, printer setting tips. So let's see. First one, ink tips. So following are the ink tips for successful printing, as you can see on the screen. So you can pause the screen and read it for more information. Let's move and see about paper loading tips. So for paper loading as well, you can refer the screen contents and read it. And printer setting tips. So here software settings selected in the printer driver only apply to printing. They don't apply to copying or scanning. So you can print your documents on both sides of the paper. For more information, you can see print on both sides, duplexing, in later videos. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the link which is available in this video description.